Chicken teriyaki bowls tonight with Manitoba chicken. Of course, everyone loves a good bowl, and when you've got some Manitoba chicken in there as well, it just takes it to the next level. So we've already got something going here, Gina.
We do. We already have our 2 chicken breasts that have been cubed, and they are sauteing in our delicious teriyaki marinade. And we are going to show everyone how to make that. Smells so good. That ginger coming through.
Yes. Yeah.
A whole lot of yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So how do we make it?
Okay. So it is actually really simple. So Des, I'm going to get you to whisk this. The most important thing is just to make sure that you get the brown sugar dissolved. So we have a 1/4 cup of soya sauce, as well as a 1/4 cup of brown sugar to start to give that savory and sweet combination.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have got 4 cloves of minced garlic.
You never come in with less than 4. Like I've been paying attention. I think it's minimum 4 for all these. That's why they're so downloaded. You see, I think that's part of the reason along with the chicken,
this
right?
is true. We've got a teaspoon of rice vinegar for a little bit of tang.
Okay.
A couple teaspoons of maple syrup, and then we have got our dried ginger. Yeah, so half a teaspoon.
Okay.
And that really comes through.
Okay.
So one of the secret steps about this recipe is I've got 2 cubed chicken breasts here. You can use chicken thighs as well, whatever your preference is, but one of the secrets is this marinade also becomes a delicious sauce for our bowls at the end. So I'm gonna get you to only add half of the marinade.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Like so?
Perfect. Yes, just like so. So this needs to marinate for about 30 minutes, but
You know what? I love that too, because sometimes, you crack open a recipe or you go online and it's like you start getting it ready and then it's like, oh, must marinate for 72 hours. It's like, well, we're not going to be eating that tonight. But this is 30 minutes, and that's enough for that wonderful chicken to just absorb all the good stuff.
Yeah. It really is a nice aspect of this recipe. I think it's that little bit of rice vinegar too. The acidity really penetrates the chicken. But if you're like me and like to get things ready the night ahead, you can actually marinate this and just keep it in the bowl. Yeah, and then pull it out the next day and just put it in the pan. So this is what it looks like when it's nicely marinated. We've just been getting that heated up, and it browns up beautifully, and the sugar and maple syrup makes it really caramelize. And you'll see that once this is cooked through, you just have the most beautiful caramelized looking chicken for our bowls.
Starting to come together.
It is starting to come together. So another really fun part of this recipe, Des, and we can get right onto it while we let this chicken cook, is our spicy mayo. So I'm going to get you to be my helper again and whisk up. Yes, indeed.
We're whisking?
Okay, we are. We're whisking. So we have got half a cup of mayonnaise, and we're going to balance that out with a couple tablespoons of tart sour cream.
Full fat, low fat, no
I
fat?
think it's your choice, but I'm a fan of the full fat because we want this to be a nice creamy mayo. The juice of half of a lemon, so certainly that adds a lot of beautiful brightness. And we've got a tablespoon of our sriracha sauce, so a hot sauce. You can use a little bit less, a little bit more, it's your choice.
Take it up,
and
take
then
it
we've
down.
just got a little bit of honey, so about 2 teaspoons of honey, so that just adds that balance of flavor and sweetness. Okay.
So just give that a good old whisk.
Yeah, and that looks great, it smells great, and that is gonna become the dressing for topping our bowl. So guess what we're gonna do now?
We're gonna build some bowls, Gina.
We are gonna build a couple delicious bowls.
I just want to make a quick comment. Like this is such an impressive, just display as a starting point, and then that's going to look great when you dress up your plate. But you can sort of like clean out whatever's in your fridge, kind of sort of.
Exactly. That's one of the things I absolutely love about this recipe. Maybe you've got 1 or 2 leftover carrots, a little bit of cabbage left over, maybe some frozen edamame. You can clean out your fridge. Use whatever you have on hand. All of your favorite ingredients can go into this bowl. It also makes it healthy too. Just so many beautiful veggies, maybe a little bit of fruit like mango, creamy avocado. The sky is the limit. Yeah, so we're gonna build our own bowls and we can use our favorite ingredients.
Okay, so the chicken, we've got Manitoba chicken here, of course, that we've prepared. It could be warm, could be hot, but it could also probably be cold, I assume.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right,
perfect,
so
exactly.
This is my cue?
Yeah, you go ahead. I like to
Cue
take that
blooms.
chicken and build it right down the center. I'm gonna start adding in my favorite ingredients. There's no right or wrong way to build these bowls. It's your own favorite way. And it's great because this recipe is customizable. I love to serve it family style. Everyone can create their own teriyaki
Dang,
chicken bowl.
You're moving fast. So you're just like.
This is one of our favorites.
Do you use your fingers for everything else
I
except the chicken?
I do. You know what? Your hands are clean. You can just get right in there. Everyone can have fun making their own bowls. This is also a great option for a party. You just double or triple the amounts of things, and everyone can step on in and make their own favorite bowl.
Well, I'm trying to think of the different reasons why this would have been the most aside from the Manitoba chicken, why this would have been the most downloaded recipe off of the website. And it's for all of the reasons that you've mentioned, right? It's like use up some leftovers,
yes.
And it's very healthy. It's like you've got everything you need for
Totally.
a well-balanced meal in the bowl. And as you say, like we can totally, see yourself having some friends over, a glass of wine, and then building some bowls. Right?
Yes, you can customize it. And I have a little secret trick. So
yours looks so much better.
Let's say you do. Oh, yours is looking beautiful too. So you prepare these bowls the night before. Everything is like this. Everyone builds their own, and then there's leftovers. Guess what I like to do?
What do you like to do, Gina?
I love to throw it all in a pan after the next day and make an incredible stir
Stir-fry.
fry.
What?
Yes.
What?
So you've got your rice, you've got your veggies, you got your chicken, and it's just it just makes an incredible stir fry.
That's awesome.
All right.
Okay,
So
I'm done.
Okay.
Wait. There. Okay. Now it's perfect.
It looks beautiful.
Okay, so
All
we've
right.
got this. We're going to take the dressing. We're going to put a little dollop on there. Can we do that?
I'm just going to grab a spoon and just a beautiful. Can I drizzle yours?
Absolutely.
All right.
See.
Yes, indeed.
And as little or as much as you like. And there you go. Okay, this is a superstar, this recipe.
It is.
Manitoba Chicken's most loved recipes. So we're going to make another one, which is kind of different. Not
Very
the
different.
chicken's the same, but it's very different. There's some ginger in it, but also kind of almost like a one pot. But anyway, we're going to show you
Yes.
exactly how to do it. Chicken with apricots, rosemary, and ginger. When we come back here on Great Taste of Manitoba, don't go away. We appreciate you, whether you're new to this channel or a long-time viewer. If you'd like to join us in the kitchen regularly and meet farm families across Manitoba, please subscribe. We share new videos every Sunday.